Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the national strategy on additive manufacturing, consider the following statements. First, it aims to increase India's share in global additive manufacturing to 5% within the next 3 years. Second, by 2025, India will aim to achieve certain targets such as 50 India specific technologies for material, machine, and software, 100 new startups for additive manufacturing, 500 new products. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So, the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology released a national strategy on additive manufacturing on 24th of February 2022. Hence, both the statements are correct. So, the statements which are given here in the question 1, so both these statements are correct. So, this was in news because 3D manufacturing policy. So, there is a target of 500 items by 2025. So this was in news because of this issue. Now let us discuss question number 2. With reference to Cobravax TM, consider the following statements. First, it is a 2-dose vaccine administered intramuscularly and can be stored at 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Second, it is India's third indigenously developed receptor binding domain protein subunit vaccine for COVID-19. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option A, one only. So, India's first indigenously developed receptor binding domain protein subunit vaccine for COVID-19, Cobravax, developed by Biological E Limited, has received approval for emergency use authorization from the Drug Controller General of India for 12 to 18 years age group, and Cobravax 2 is a 2-dose vaccine administered intramuscularly and can be stored at 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. So about second statement, why this is wrong? Because this is the second vaccine, not third vaccine. So this is the second vaccine supported under the mission to have received EUA for the age of 12 to 18 years. Hence, only statement 1 is correct. So this was in news because of DBT BIRAC supported novel COVID-19 vaccine candidate Cobravax, developed by Biological E Limited, receives DCGI approval for emergency use authorization for 12 to 18 years age group. So you can read more about COVID-19 and the other vaccines which are in the news nowadays, so you can also refer that also. Now let us discuss question number 3. With reference to the human immunodeficiency virus, consider the following statements. First, a US patient has become the third person in the world and the first woman to be cured of HIV, the deadly virus that causes AIDS. Second, it is an infection that attacks the immune system by destroying the body's immune cells called CD4, which help it respond to infection. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can write your answer in the comment section. So, the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, a US patient has become the third person in the world and the first woman to be cured of HIV, the deadly virus that causes AIDS. Hence, both statements are correct. So, the statements given in this question both are correct. So, this was in news because a US patient has become the third person in the world and the first woman to be cured of HIV, the deadly virus that causes AIDS. So, you can read more about HIV and AIDS. This question has been asked in 2018 prelims examination. So, there was statement given about HIV and AIDS. So, you can read more about it, and you can also refer the previous year's question that was asked in 2018 by UPSC. So, now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the wireless charging, consider the following statements. First, modern smartphones use electromagnetic induction to transfer electric energy from the charger to the smartphone while wirelessly charging it. Second, a form of wireless charging is called tightly coupled electromagnetic inductive charging. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can write your answer in the comment section. So, the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, the convenience of wireless charging is rapidly making this tech a popular trend. Hence, both statements are correct. So, these statements both are correct. So, you can read more about wireless charging. So, this was in news because the convenience of wireless charging is rapidly making this tech a popular trend. So, you must be aware of that, and this is in the news nowadays, so you can read more about that also. Now let us discuss question number 5, which is the last question of this video. So, which of the following is the biggest country in Europe by area? Option A, Russia. Option B, Germany. Option C, France. Option D, Spain. So, you can write your answer in the comment section. So, the answer of this question is option A, Russia. So, Russia has launched an all-out invasion of Ukraine by land, air, and sea in what is being seen as the biggest attack by one state against another in Europe since World War II. So, hence, option A is the correct answer. Why this was in news because Ukraine President Zelensky said on Friday that 137 military personnel and civilians had been killed in fighting. So this is the major news nowadays. So almost daily, you can see the progress that has been made in this news of a war between Russia and Ukraine. So you can read more about it also, and you can refer the developments that is happening in this case. You can refer that also. So you can read current affairs from basic and standard newspapers, and you can follow any monthly magazine also. So you can practice your MCQs here on this Civilsteps YouTube channel. So that's it about this video. So you can subscribe the channel, and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.